country not mentioned here, 6 people were once sentenced to prison after taking part in a failed assassination attempt. Good news in itself, but what does that have to do with our topic? Well, let us surprise you. Let's take a closer look at this case. Fake it till you make it, or end up in jail. A contract killer received about $500,000 for a business owner to eliminate a rival. The hitman did what any good business owner would do. He decided to pass the job on to a colleague and keep half the money for himself. That one, however, did the same thing. This happened a few more times. The payment, of course, decreased in this process. For the last contractor of this offshoring, the remaining $20,000 were too little to get his hands dirty. So he decided to contact the victim and convince him to fake his own debt. When he alerted the authorities and the whole plan unraveled, the arrests were made quite quickly. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Michelle from MySolutions. It's so nice to be back after all this time. And as you may have noticed, we completely renovated our studio. How do you like it? Feel free to tell us in the comments. So, if you want good results, you have to do the work yourself. Whether for delicate jobs like the one before or for manufacturing, the days of outsourcing skills and manpower are coming to an end. You may have heard terms like reshoring or repatriation to describe this. But what is it all about? And how does it relate to other trends? The manufacturing industry was one of the earliest adopters of automation processes, for example, with machines and robots working together. Likewise, manufacturing was a pioneer in offshoring and outsourcing. Many manufacturers are no longer satisfied, mainly because of outdated supply chains and accounting systems. Digitalization and automation offer new cost-saving opportunities here, just in time. More and more tasks can be handled by digital, automated processes. As a result, the share of labor in manufacturing costs is falling. International companies with global locations should definitely consider a reorientation with regard to reshoring. Manufacturing operations of the future will become smaller and more agile anyway, as the next trend shows. You can think what you want about Amazon, but its success is undeniable. One secret to this success is the constant optimization of supply chains. This is also an important point for manufacturing companies. In the past, there was a tendency to build mega factories abroad because of low transportation costs and cheap wages. Today, everything is moving in the other direction. Supply chains are getting shorter, production sites are getting smaller as well as the share of human labor in the manufacturing and distribution of products. We don't mean that you should immediately close all foreign operations and lay off half the workforce. What we mean is this: it wouldn't hurt to take a hypothetical look at the concept of the microfactory and develop concepts for what a transformation might look like for your own company. From mass production to personalized production. The pioneer of mass production, Henry Ford, is said to have once claimed that a customer could have a car painted any color he wanted, as long as it was originally black. Since then, the manufacturing industry has evolved a great deal. Today's customers expect customizable options across a wide range of products. Companies that respond to their customer feedback and special requests are on the right track. In manufacturing, this may well mean drastically reducing batch sizes or making one-offs more often. This trend is likely to continue as technologies such as 3D printing and laser-assisted manufacturing become more common in the industrial sector and the market continues to shift in a customer-centric direction. Which of these trends are you aware of? Are you perhaps already using any? Drop it in the comments. It may take a few years for these changes to be completed, but that they are coming is relatively undeniable. Smart machines are here to stay, so it makes sense to plan now for how you can adopt new technologies and adapt operations to the trends in a way that maximizes their potential to remain competitive. We would be happy to help you meet the trends and developments in the manufacturing industry with customized software for manufacturing operations and find a solution that works for you. Now, that was a lot of information and suggestions. Just let it sink in. And if you have any questions, we are always there for you. Feel free to visit our showroom here in Reiden. Here's the address. It can be a bit tricky finding the way. That's where this video will help you. We're looking forward to meeting you. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. For more videos about technology and industry, just subscribe to our channel. There are also fun insights into our team on our social media. With that, we wish you a great week, a great weekend, and see you next time!